Hello guys and welcome back to a new vlog. This week we have been talking a lot about the professional of being a nutritionist, but we as a team thought and decided to do something new. We thought and decided to do something to help our nutritionist needs.
We first thought that social media has a lot of false information and that a lot of teenagers, especially girls, are seeing false information on social media about how they need to be or look in a certain way. But this applies to every type of content and you can check if it's true.
So to solve these problems, we use the UDEM's design thinking steps. For the understanding step, we each did different interviews with different nutrologists to learn more about their work. So,
Understand step, we recognize that there are a lot of people that are believing what they see on social media without verifying that it's actually true. We understood that there was a lot of false information on social media, so we wanted to make a product to help. We wanted to create something simple to use that was helpful to everyone. We defined that we wanted to create an app accessible for every social media user. In the ideate step, we started brainstorming different ideas on how the app would look like and what it would actually do. We created an app that can tell you if the content posted on social media is validated and if the person is verified to talk about.
in the prototype step, we start by making our own button that appears in every single app. So what happens when you click that button, it tells you if that social media post has true information, where the person got that information, and if they have the right studies to talk about that topic, and also it appears the references. For the test step, we test the prototype to see what was the easiest way to everyone to use these apps, how to make it more attractive, and also if every single information was clear enough. So for this step, we make another interview to our nutritionist to give us some feedback.
The refine step, we take the positive comments about the feedback that gave us our nutrologist.
So with that feedback, we improve our app. So this is how it looks, our prototype before the feedback.
For the digital prototype, we took reviews and refined our original prototype. So we have new features as a color system for area of study, transparency to avoid loss of content, sizing relative to the app, and like and dislike system, as well as more information and similar content. So here we have the menu over if we want to have the traveling done by either area of study or app. So for the purpose of a short showcase, we're gonna go through the app of Tutor. So we're gonna click on that icon. This app is a showcase. This app showcase is an interactive demonstration, so we're gonna click on it. So now we can see how here we have the red button as used with the transparency and everything. So when we click on it, we can see the references, which also when we click on them, they're gonna take us to the link. Okay, so now we have here, when we click the link, we have the page in which the information was sourced from. And now that we clicked on the references and we can see that it is legit, we can now use the function of rating. So we have here like and dislike bar. When we click on the like, it turns green. When we click on the dislike, it turns red. So we can also do the same, clicking for the more information and similar content. So we can close it, and with the prototype we can also click on the phone to go back to the menu and visit the other types of areas of study. So yeah, with this prototype we can visit every single universality of the button.
And that is how our prototype works. What do you guys think? Will you use our app?